Hello, beautiful ones. Welcome to Magik Witch TV, your haven for spiritual growth and mystical exploration. Today, we are embarking on a transformative journey to unlock the mystical power of divine feminine energy. This ancient art of witchcraft is not just about spells and potions. It's about embracing the essence of the divine feminine within each of us. Let's delve deep into this sacred power and awaken the witch within. Divine feminine energy is a powerful force that embodies intuition, creativity, nurturing, and wisdom. It is the essence that connects us to the cycles of nature, the moon, and the sacred rhythms of life. When we tap into this energy, we align ourselves with the universe, allowing our true potential to shine through. One of the first steps in harnessing divine feminine energy is to embrace your intuition. Intuition is the inner voice, the guiding force that leads us through life's journey. It's often a whisper, a feeling, or a knowing that comes from deep within. To strengthen your intuition, spend time in quiet reflection. Meditate, journal, and listen to your inner thoughts. Trust yourself and your instincts, for they are the whispers of your soul. To enhance your rituals, consider burning a lavender or purple candle. Lavender represents calm and healing, while purple symbolizes spiritual insight and connection to the divine. Light this candle during your meditation or ritual to create a sacred space and invite the presence of the divine feminine. Next, let's explore the art of ritual. Rituals are powerful practices that help us connect with our inner witch and the divine forces around us. A simple yet profound ritual is creating an altar. Your altar can be a small space in your home where you place meaningful objects such as crystals, candles, flowers, and symbols of the goddess. This sacred space becomes a focal point for your intentions and a place to center your energy. Carrying a symbol of the goddess, such as a moonstone or an ankh, can help keep you connected to the divine feminine energy throughout your day. Moonstone is known for its properties of intuition and emotional balance, while the ankh represents life and feminine energy. Wear these symbols as jewelry or keep them in your pocket to remind you of your inner power. The moon, with its phases and cycles, is deeply connected to the divine feminine. Each phase of the moon carries its own energy and magic. The new moon is a time for setting intentions and new beginnings. The waxing moon is for growth and manifestation. The full moon, with its radiant light, is a time for abundance and celebration. The waning moon is for release and letting go. By aligning your rituals with the moon's phases, you can harness its powerful energy to enhance your magic. Wearing the color purple or white can also help you channel the divine feminine energy. Purple is associated with wisdom, dignity, and mystery, while white symbolizes purity, peace, and spirituality. Incorporate these colors into your wardrobe or wear them during your rituals to strengthen your connection to the divine feminine. Let's not forget the importance of self-care and nurturing. The divine feminine energy thrives when we honor and care for ourselves. Take time to pamper yourself with activities that nourish your body, mind, and soul. Whether it's a warm bath with essential oils, a walk in nature, or simply reading a good book, self-care is a vital part of embracing your inner witch. Another aspect of the divine feminine is creativity. Allow yourself to express your creativity in any form that speaks to you. Paint, write, dance, or sing. Creativity is a powerful way to connect with your inner witch and the magic that lies within you. As we embrace the sacred power of the feminine, we also step into our own magic. Remember, you are a powerful being, and the energy of the divine feminine flows through you. Embrace it, honor it, and let it guide you on your journey. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of divine feminine energy. If this message resonates with you, please like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments below. Together, let's awaken the witch within and step into our true power. Until next time, may your path be illuminated with the light of the divine.